Hey guys, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you don't live on the lake, I thought I'd share this with you. You can hear, I don't know if the ice is melting or something about the temperature or whatever, but it really makes kind of a weird, cool sound. Can you hear that? I hope it's picked up by the camera. It's kind of cool. If anybody has an idea of what causes it, it almost sounds like if you're carrying a big sheet of metal and you kind of wobble and go whoa, 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 whoa. You can see out there where it's open. In fact, the whole lake is open. The whole lake is open except for this one little ice patch, so that has to have something to do with it. And what the camera doesn't pick up is like, it sounds like it starts on one end of the lake and kind of goes around the shore, sort of. Anyway, it's pretty cool. That's what I mean, it actually does look different, the lake, every day. Either the wave patterns, the ice patterns. Well, thanks for joining me for I hope it picked up the sound. The talking ice.